The Illinois WorkNet Virtual Job Fair, you can meet with employers who are hiring. These jobs fairs give you the opportunity to explore information and find job opportunities from the comfort of your home via desktop, laptop, tablet, or smartphone. And to get to the virtual job fair landing page, you'll go to illinoisworknet.com. And on the home page here, under the virtual job fair section, click this search virtual job fairs button. And this will take you to the landing page you can see here. If you scroll down, you can see the listing of employer booths for businesses that are hiring in Illinois. If we go a little bit further down here, we can see a section where you can search through the booths by keyword, you can filter by industry, and search by location. And a note about the search, you can see up here, with the search by location, it may appear that some booths don't necessarily belong in your area. However, some employers are offering positions statewide or have remote work opportunities available. So be sure to follow up with the contact information provided on each employer booth page if you have questions about those opportunities. And so, for example, if we click on one of these booths here, we'll open up this tab here for Abbott. This is what an employer booth page will look like. And so we'll see the logo at the top, links to social media, the name of the company, the website, and if there's a physical location that's been added, that'll be included here. A link to the job openings that organization has available, along with the industries that they are hiring in. A description about the employer contact information. If there's an upcoming virtual job fair event that's been scheduled, a link to the registration will be included in this box here. For previous events that have been recorded, a YouTube link will be provided right here under this archive VJF videos section. And under documents and links, the employer can add any additional information that they want the job seekers, to know about their organization and the opportunities that they have available. And back on the virtual job fair landing page, to see upcoming events, rather than looking one by one through each of these employer booths, what you can do is you can click this VJF events tab, and that'll open up the virtual job fair event calendar. And from here, you can scroll down and see what events are upcoming and more information about them. So for example, if we click on this entry here, a window will open up with information about the employer, whose event it is, the date and time of the event, a link to register on Eventbrite, and more information about the event itself, the number of openings, the industry, where they're located, and so forth. And once you do register for an event, you will then be provided with the webinar information.